this video, I'm going to show you how to use and activate your Visa gift card. Now, keep in mind there's no fees after you actually purchase this, so it's really easy to use. And I'm also going to show you how to check the balance of your card or freeze your card if it's currently activated as well. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is you simply need to take your card out of your package before we can actually redeem it. How you can do that is you can use scissors, or you can actually just tear the package open like so. Now, using scissors is easier, but just be careful so you don't actually rip the card like this. And once you've actually taken the card out of the package, you'll be able to see that on both sides there's actually a number. It resembles like a credit/debit card, and you can basically just use it as a normal debit card. Now, all you're going to need to do to activate it or check the balance is you first need to go to your local internet browser and basically type in this link on screen right now. It says it on a sticker on the back of your card, and you can basically put in your card's information such as the card number, the month, the year, and the CVV number, which can actually be found on the back of your card, which is a 3-digit number. In doing so, you can view the balance available on your card, any transactions that may have occurred on your card, or you can actually modify, edit, and freeze your card just on the screen like so. And doing so, that's all you need to do to activate it, and you can easily spend this on Amazon or just grocery stores, 7-Eleven, literally anywhere you wish to spend it. And that's all you need to do to view transactions and just the balance on your card in general.